My name's Larissa Nirvana. I'm a studio coordinator at Belmont Studio. The functionality of the software is incredibly easy to get to grips with. After a 10-15 minute session, I already understood the basics of how it worked. To train other people in it is incredibly easy as well.
My name is Hugh Leith. I'm the CEO of 10X. We're an innovation and creative agency based in Spitalfields. I've used Tempora at a large agency like M&C Saatchi, and then I've used it at a smaller agency, a growing agency like 10X. The reason why I took Tempora and started my agency with this software at the heart of it is mainly because it's so easy to use. I mean, they picked it up instantly, and now it's just a standard process that we have. And it just is a frictionless way for anyone to fill in their time, but also people to manage the time. We need the data on what our teams are doing across the business, so that then we can measure it and manage it.
I'm Chantel Lakeham, I'm an account director at Sudicus Consulting. As an account director, I have to look at team capacity, so Tempora is a really useful tool for running reports to look at how much time we're spending for each client or project on a monthly basis, in addition to also looking at staff utilisation, so looking at billable versus non-billable time. Tempora is a really easy tool for us to use and means that everybody can log on online and log their own time. I found it very easy to add clients or new projects as and when we need to. The automated reporting feature on Tempora is also very useful, so that I can set up reports to run on a monthly basis and they land straight into my inbox.
The support service has been absolutely brilliant. I wanted to understand the software a lot more, and I felt that I wasn't using it to its full capacity. Making a phone call and asking for training was instantaneous in the response.
I haven't had a piece of enterprise software that is this good in terms of the help and guidance.
As a small business, it's really useful with Tempora that we're able to flex our account and we're able to add and reduce users as and when we need to. We're also able to pick and choose the features that we do actually use, so we're able to actually tailor the package that we have.
We've recently started using the holiday module, and it's been great. I mean, before we had a Google Sheet that we had to set up the sheet, we'd have to change it every year. With Tempora, it's quite easy for them to do it, and it alerts me straight away. It's been fantastic in terms of planning resource across the year.
There's not bits of paper floating around with people's holidays logged on them. It is just the best way to track holiday, and easy from both employees' points of view and from management. Taking into account the absolute powerhouse that it is in terms of reports that it can get out, I think it's incredible value for money.
The money that we save by tightly managing people's time actually pays itself back 10 times over.
The app is going to be of great use for us. We have a lot of senior staff who travel a lot around the world and quite often don't have time to fill in their timesheets. If they can do it on an app on the go while they're in a meeting, actually logging time with clients, that is going to save everyone so much time.
People have been able to fill in their timesheets wherever they are in the world, even filling it in on the tube because it's got that offline connectivity. It's just fantastic for us. If anyone came to me asking for recommendation on a timesheet system, I would definitely recommend Tempora. I mean, I've looked at all the alternatives, I've used many of the alternatives, and it's just the best thing out there.